Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. My name is Sun Aaron. My student's number is 230,573. So in this good opportunity, I would like to make a video presentation as an assignment for my academic speaking lesson to our honorable mentor, Sir Muhammad Chandra SPD MED. About the topic of my presentations, I'm going to explain about the effect of pronunciation instructions on students' overall speaking skills, written by Isti Atli and Asher Subergil. That I gather this from Elsevier, Procedia, Social and Behavioral Science as my resources and references. The purpose of my presentation is I'm intending to tell to the audience the importance of pronunciations and the diverse impact on the not to dealing with pronunciation subject for students' progress in speaking stability. But first, I will start to explain about the reasons why researchers stating that pronunciation is important and why we shouldn't ignoring it. So in these sections, there will be what kind of method we use by researchers to collect the data as well. Second is the methodology researchers use. This is the extension from the last explanations in the abstract discussions. Next I will have about an explanations, the finding of the journal, and in these sections, what researchers conclude in their journal from all of those tests and the used subject. Finally, here's my suggestion as a student who still studies and still needs so much to learn. And I don't really know how long my presentation will last, guys. So I hope everybody sit still and stand by on focusing my video presentation. Thank you. Introductions. Pronunciation is neglected in the majority of language classroom. English teaching practitioners avoid dealing with pronunciation skills for different reasons. The lack of attention allowed the pronunciation is also reflected in the amount of research what deals with it. The study aims at finding out whether pronunciation instructions influence students' overall speaking ability. In order to do this, the researchers will give 20 questions to students pre-test, in which they will be asked to tell a picture strip stories which elicit problematic sounds of Turkish learners of English. After a 5-week pronunciation instructions, the post-test will be conducted to determine the influence of pronunciation instructions on the students' pronunciation skills. Furthermore, in an attempt to reveal the student's self-perception of pronunciation, a questionnaire will be administered. At the end of the 5-week period, the obtained data will be analyzed via SPSS 15.0. The definition of pronunciation is emerged as a field of systematic study towards the end of 19th century when the International Phonetic Association was established in 1886. And then since then, the emphasis allowed to pronunciation teaching in ESL or EFL classroom has been subjected to fluctuations. While traditional methods such as grammar translation and reading-based approach is neglected, pronunciation teaching completely and considered to be relevant to language teaching. In subsequent methods such as oral approach and audiolingualism, it had a more central role. Likewise, from 1940 and 1960, pronunciation teaching was primary importance in the English language teaching curriculum. Although each method was at different end of continuum in terms of technique use, they use similar in the way that focus on the segmentals. Today, contemporary method value pronunciations. They operate around assumption that there is a threshold level of pronunciation for non-native speakers of English. If they fall behind this threshold level, they will have oral communications problem, no matter how excellent and extensive their control of English grammar and vocabulary might be. This is stated by Kel Moritza and et al. 2010. Today, pronunciation has already become one of the most important subjects. It is proof that one of one or second semester we will have a pronunciation practice subject in our school or university. In my own experience, I've learned pronunciation practice in the first semester of my university, and it's really fun thing to learn. Methodology. The populations of university schools of language during the fall term of the academic year 2011-2012, the number of female and male participants is respectively 12 and 8, and their age range between 18 until 24. All the participants are native speakers of Turkish. None of them had pronunciation class, live or study in an English-speaking country before they start the preparation program. Although the majority of the participants, 14 of them, have been studying English for longer than 9 years. The number of years they have studied English range between 4 and 10. About the data collections, the aim of the study is to find whether pronunciation instruction has been effect of overall speaking ELT prep class students at the School of Language of the Ondokus Mayis University, and to investigate students' self-perception of pronunciation skills and the attitude towards pronunciation instructions. For the purpose of the study, the beginning of academic year 2011 and 2012, 20 ELD prep class students were given a picture strip story which they were asked to describe in their own words. Through the picture strip story, the researchers attempted to elicit the target vocabulary items. Now we arrive to the parts of findings. In the analysis of recording, the first and the second set of recordings have been analyzed. Mispronounced target words, the frequency of mispronunciations, and the way the target words have pronounced by the participant have been represented. About the conclusion in this study, we aim the investigation, the influence of pronunciation instructions on students' overall speaking skills, their self-perception of pronunciation and attitudes towards pronunciation instructions to be able to do this. So, like I said before, to be able to do this, the researchers have asked to participants to tell a picture strip study before and after 5 weeks pronunciation instructions, being given out 20 items questionnaires and 5-point Likert scale format. Speaking performance of the students have been analyzed in recording 1 and recording 2. I'm sorry guys, I can't show you guys the recording. Assessing recording 1, the researchers have found out that students are unable to articulate the short vowel, long vowel, and as well as the consonant. Therefore, they had a problem in pronouncing basic vocabulary items. Even though the most of them have been studying English longer than 9 years, it may be indicate that without a focus of pronunciation skills, EFL students do not seem to be able to acquire the pronunciation skills. On the other hand, recording 2 have revealed that a higher number of students are able to produce the problematic sounds correctly after 5 weeks of instructions, although they still seem to be suffering from certain problems regarding their pronunciations. This may be result from the fact that 5 weeks is very short period of time for pronunciation instructions yields its effect. In conclusions, now that we know that pronunciation is a very important thing, but for some reason a lot of students lack of pronunciation speaking skills ability, made their friends and teachers don't understand what are they talking is. Based on our finding in these presentations, I would like to have suggestions as a students who are still learning and still need so much to learn. Okay, so as academic speaking skill is based on the ability and hearing of the study, the power of pronunciation has a big role in the speakings. We don't care how cool your accent is as long as you can pronounce words correctly. Besides making your word look more here, professionals and correct, your teachers and friends will hear it as usual expression and understand what are you talking. Alright guys, I think that's all about I want to say about my suggestions. So I think this is the end of my presentations. Thank you for you guys' attentions. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah and have a nice day, guys. Thank you.